friends, Running Kimono here. So we're looking at some curbside offers where you put these orders through your cell phone, desktop, computer, tablet, drive to the store and pick them up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside offer. It's taking place right up until Saturday, August the 5th for these specific deals. Now, I know this type of shopping isn't for everybody. If you're more of a tactile shopper that you love to be in the store and look around and you're just not about apps and stuff, maybe check out the video that I made yesterday where I go through a bunch of deals in store. If you could do me a huge kindness and please like this video, I would be so grateful. It really helps me out if you take a quick second and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Thanks so much, guys. Okay, deal number 1. You need your best friend loaded, which is spend 25, get back 6, which is a digital booster. Hopefully you still have one floating around on your account for this deal. We're going to grab 2 of these really massive tides for $15.99. I believe there's a promotion to spend 30, get back 10 in P&G, and this is part of it. And it's working curbside. In store, I have no clue, but I know it's working curbside. We also have 2 Ponderosas, which are 2 $4 coupons. Load these. I'll let you know that if you live in a smaller market, your store probably doesn't carry these massive tides, but if you live in a larger market, this is a deal for you. $31.96. Free curbside pickup, $8 coming off. With your debit card, pay $25.90, and then you're getting back 10 for the spending 30 on P&G, and then another 6 for the booster. A really fabulous deal. And let's not forget, class, you must use your debit card as you're using that goofy spend booster of spend 25, get back 6. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 2. You need your best friend loaded again, which is 6 back when you spend 25. Pick and choose very wisely which deal you wish to do because you can only use this booster as a once per card. We're going to be grabbing some of these Walgreens brand products. They have this goofy promotion of 7 back when you spend 20, specifically on Walgreens branded products. That came through an email this morning. So I had my eye on this, which is the Walgreens brand toilet paper, and these are the 9 mega rolls, so it's a lot more toilet paper. They're 2 for $10, so $5 a pop. So we're going to put 5 into a basket for $25 on the nose. Okay, so 25 with tax, you're going to pay that $26.50 with your debit card and then get back $14.25 in Walgreens cash. 6 for the booster. And then 7 for spending 20 on Walgreens products. So not a bad little deal, at least 50% back. Okay, so now we're going to go to deal number 3. For this basket, we're going to grab 2 of the men's Axe body wash on a BOGO 50% for $8.98 or for $8.98, and then 1 of the Listerines for $10.99. Load the following digital coupons: a 7 off 2 for the body wash and $1 for the Listerine. Looking at the overall basket, our total is $19.97. Curbside pickup is free, $8 in coupons melting off. With your debit cards, pay the $13.17, and then with Listerine, it's spend 10, get back 5. So with that, you're going to get $5 back. So not a bad little basket. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 4. We are going to grab 2 of the clearance Shea Moisture. It's like some sort of like serum of some sort for $4.93. We're going to grab 3 of the Scott's paper towel or toilet paper, 2 of the Snickers Fun Size for 99 cents for $1.98. We're going to load the following: the 6 off 2 for the Shea Moisture, the 2 off 2 for the Snickers, the $1.25 IVC for the Scott, and here is our gorgeous chorus line of all the coupons melting off. The overall basket is $21.91, IVCs of $3.75 coming off for Scott. Curbside pickup is free, $6.91 in coupons coming off. So you know what I would do for this one? I would throw in $10 of Walgreens cash and pay that $2 in change and call this a really good deal, especially if you need to stock up on Scott's toilet paper. Okay, so now we're at deal number 5. We need 1 of these Febreze small spaces for $3.29. Operative thing we're going to do here is look for items at $3.29. 1 of these car clips also for $3.29. And yesterday morning we got a bunch of really good Febreze coupons, a $2.30 off each for the car clip and the small spaces. We're also going to grab one of these toilet papers for $5, just one. And remember that $1.25 IVC coupon that I was showing you. Make sure you have this guy loaded as well. Okay, and then we're getting a Tide Yellow for $3.49, and then we have a 50-cent digital. Make sure you have that guy loaded. We're grabbing a box of these tampons for $6.99. I know, like, how expensive is that compared to a couple years ago? And we have a $4 digital if you might have this one, so make sure you load it. And just looking at the overall basket here, $5, $6.99 for the tamps. And then we have our Tide Simply for $3.49, and then the two Febreze products for $3.29 a pop as well for the small spaces, and the car clip. And I know a lot of you absolutely love those car clips. I certainly do. It smells like laundry in your car. So just to show you the gorgeous chorus line here of all the digital coupons just melting off right there. So, I mean, if you just want a hodgepodge of products, this is definitely the basket for you. The total was $22.06. $12.56. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.56 and call this extreme couponing. Okay, so deal number 6, we're going to grab everybody's favorite, the L'Oreal Elvive. You're going to be putting 3 of these into a basket. This must be a popular flavor because I could only find one at my store. We have this 3 off 2 IVC coupon. It's going to work on the third one as well. It'll be $1.50. And we have a digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 3, a very generous coupon. So make sure you load this because August the 12th, very good. And then we're going to put 4 of these smaller packs of the Walgreens toilet paper for $7.96 in your basket. I know some stores don't fulfill these $1.99 ones. I don't know why. The curbside, but other stores do. It's weird. So the overall basket is $21.46. IVCs of $4.50 coming off, free curbside pickup, and a $5 digital melting off. You know what I would do? I would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash and pay that $2 and some change and call this a very smart basket. The final deal that we have, guys, take a breath. We're going to throw in 2 of the men's SUAVE shampoo for $4.18. We have a very goofy $4 off coupon, so make sure you have this guy loaded. Very good. We're going to throw in one of these fancier Dove body washes. If you ever tried these, they're very nice. I love the acne one with the bamboo extract. We have a $4 digital also attaching, so load that. We're going to throw in 3 of the L'Oreal Elvive Fancies for $13.50. And if you remember, we have the 3 off 2 and then the 5 off of 3. Make sure you have both of the coupons loaded. Because of the IVC, it was dipping really low, so I threw in 2 candy bars to balance the math. So looking at the overall basket, guys, we're at $27.68, $4.50 in IVCs, $13 in manufacturers melting off, $11.02. I would throw in $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.02 and call this a very smart deal. Remember to photograph your receipt too to the Fetch Rewards app because they have a bigger Unilever progressive that if you spend $30, you're going to get back 10,000 Fetch points. So when you're getting your curbside orders, get those receipts and photograph them for that. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.